100 Common Questions in English. What's your name? How old are you? Where are you from? How are you? What do you do? Do you have any siblings? What's your favorite color? What time is it? When is your birthday? Where do you live? How long have you been here? Do you like it here? Have you been to Turkey before? What did you do yesterday? What are you doing tomorrow? Why are you here? How was your day? Are you hungry? Do you want to go out? Can I help you? How much is this? What's your phone number? Where were you born? What's your mother's name? How often do you watch TV? Which one is yours? Have you ever been to Paris? Who is that? Where are you going? What are you thinking? When did you arrive? Are you married? Do you have children? What do you like to do for fun? Do you speak any other languages? Can I ask you a question? How can I get to the airport? Is this seat taken? Are you sure? What's the weather like? What's this called in English? Can you repeat that? How do you say bonjour in English? Do you understand? How far is it? What's the problem? What does this mean? Can you help me? Where's the bathroom? What's the date today? How do you feel? What's your last name? Have you done your homework? What are your plans for the weekend? How many people are in your family? Do you know her name? What kind of music do you like? Where did you go to school? Do you have a pet? When are we leaving? Is it close? Can you drive? What are you looking for? Do you need anything? Are you coming with us? How tall are you? How much does it weigh? What's the matter? Do you believe in magic? Have you seen this movie? How do you spell that? When is it due? What do you recommend? Where can I find the nearest bookstore? Who did you come with? Are you allergic to peanuts? How do you pronounce this? Is it difficult? Do you have the time? What would you like to eat? Why did you do that? Did you like the movie? What did he say? When will it be ready? Is it expensive? Who's calling? Where should I put this? What's your address? How's your family? Do you work here? Who's your favorite author? Why are you crying? What's for dinner? Do you want to play? Have you met Mark? Why not? Can I see your ID? What are you reading? Are we there yet? Do you agree?